Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Future I. Dear students, in this class I am going to explain you multiple choice questions from the chapter Statistics. Before going to start today's class, there is a request from my side. Still, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe and share the video. Now let's start the class, children. Before going to question section, let me give some important formulas of this chapter. Let me remind you. See children, from this chapter you are going to get 3 marks in your upcoming examination. Now let's see some important concepts as well as formulas. The first one is measure of central tendency R. There are 3 measures of central tendency: mean, mode and median. Next point, midpoint of class interval. We have a formula that upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So no need to use always formula, children. See, for example, you have a class interval here 10 to 20. In that case, do the mind work. Add 10 to 20, you will get 30. That 30 divided by 2, you will get 15. So 15 is the midpoint of this class interval. So easily we can add up and then we can divide it. I have said that not to use formula always, just we can use the mind work for that. Next, let us move on to the another one, mean for ungrouped data. So we have a formula here, that is sigma x divided by n, or else that you have studied in your earlier classes, children, sum of observations divided by number of observations. And in both the model question papers there was a problem on this formula itself, children. So very important formula. So definitely you will get a question on this formula. So next, median for ungrouped data. See, we are going to find the median for ungrouped data. In ungrouped data, when odd number of terms are, in that case we have to take n by 2 term as median. So you may get little confusion here. So I will explain the problems. When I will be explaining, I'll recall you this one, children. Next, let us take another one. Median for ungrouped data only for even numbers. See, here also if you see this formula, you never understand anything, children. N by 2 term plus n by 2 plus 1 term by 2. So just learn of this. Without using this formula also we can be easily find the median for ungrouped data. That I'll tell you in upcoming slides. Next, score which repeated maximum number of times is called mode, children. So, and this is for ungrouped data. So we use for grouped data also the score which repeated maximum number of times only. There is no difference between for ungrouped data and grouped data. And one more thing here, I didn't say what about the median here. See, median means middlemost score, and mean means you know that. So mean means you are going to find the average. So median means, keep it in the mind, children. So you are going to find the middlemost score. And mode means you are going to find the maximum number of times repeated score. So that is a very important thing, you wanted to keep it in the mind. Next, let us see some formulas, children. Mean by direct method. See, in the earlier slide we have seen mean for ungrouped data. So here we are seeing for mean for grouped data by direct method. So that is x bar is equals to sigma fx by sigma f. Next, let us see mode finding formula, children. Very important. So L plus f1 minus f0 by 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. So here you wanted to know the definition of each term here, hence I have listed here, children. See, L means lower limit of the model class, h means size of the model class, f1 means frequency of the model class, f0 or f0 frequency of preceding model class, f2 is frequency of succeeding model class. See, all these things, so f1, f0, f2 is dependent on the model class, as the very important thing is you wanted to find it out the model class very soon before going to find the mod. So that is a very important thing you wanted to understand. So next, let us see the median, children. So median finding formula is, so here let it be E, not I it is. So median E. So L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. See, cumulative frequency we wanted to find it in median. So don't confuse in mod. No, there is no cumulative frequency at all. So whenever we are finding the mod, children, we should not find cumulative frequency. When we are finding the median, in that case we wanted to find it cumulative frequency. So here let's know the terms meaning. So L means lower limit of the median class. So N means number of observations, H means class size, and CF means, as you know, cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. See, this is very important. So cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. So preceding the median class means as you observe the median class, it's a backside frequency. So that's, so F means frequency of the median class. So next let us see another one and very important formula, children. Definitely there will be a problem on this formula, otherwise they may ask this formula only. So empirical relationship between three measures of central tendency. As I already said, central tendency means mean, mod and median. Its relationship we wanted to write. That relationship we call it as empirical formula. So that is 3 median is equals to mod plus 2 mean. These are all the very important things you wanted to keep it in your mind to solve the problems from this chapter, children. Now let us move on to the question section. The size of the class interval. See here, we wanted to find the class interval size, children. The class is 10 to 20. So options are 10, 20, 15 and 15.5. The size they are asking. Whenever they ask the size, you know, so this 10 is lower limit, this 20 is upper limit. So in upper limit, I mean in 20, subtract the 10. How much you will get if you subtract 10 from 20? So obviously you will get the 10. So option A is correct, children. So then I repeat again, you are going to find the size. When you are finding the size, subtract the lower limit from upper limit. Move on to the next one. The midpoint of the class interval 10 to 25 is given. Options are, children, 18, 17.5, 17, 15. Children, I wanted to repeat here. See, we are going to find the midpoint of class interval. So I said a formula there. So how to find midpoint? That is the sum of lower limit plus upper limit by 2. So let me take that formula. See, whenever you are adding, how you can interchange the terms, not a problem. You write it as lower limit plus upper limit or upper limit plus lower limit. It doesn't matter, children. And divided by 2. Substitute the value. So upper limit. So what is the upper limit here, children? 25. And what is the lower limit? That is 20. So 10 add to 25. So here we get 35 by 2. So as you divide here, so 2 ones are and so 2 17s are 34 and keep a point and take 0 and we get that 5 is 10. So what's the answer? 17.5 is the midpoint of this class interval. So where do we get 17.5? That is in option B. Hence it is the correct answer. Move on to the next one, children. The mean of the data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is, children, keep it in the mind, mean we are going to find, and it is ungrouped data. Data is not grouped. So let's see the options, children. 15, 7.5, 3.5, 3. So we have to use the formula that is sigma x by n. Don't use it as sigma fx by sigma f. So that is for grouped data. So here data is not grouped at all. See, where is a group here? There's numbers they have been given. So take the formula x bar is equals to sigma x by n. Children, I repeat again. So definitely on this formula one problem will be there, because in both the model question paper there was a problem on this formula. So substitute the values, children. So sigma x means these are all x. You have to find the sum of these things. So means you have to add all these numbers. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. So in denominator 5, right, as it is. So here 5 ones and 5, how much is 15? 5 3 is 15. Therefore x bar is equals to 3. Where can we find this 3? So that is in option D. Hence this is correct answer. Move to the next one, children. If the mean value of 6, 4, 7, A and 10 is 8, then the value of A is, options are 10, 17, 9 and 13. Children, first of all understand the problem. See here, they have given few scores. So 6 there, 4 there, 7 is there, A is there. A value we wanted to find. We don't know what is the value of A. and 10. So these are all the given scores, and these scores mean is given, that is 8. You wanted to use mean finding formula only, that is x bar is equals to sigma x by n. This x bar is given, so that is what, 8, and n also given. So n directly they have not given. See how many scores they have taken here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 scores. So n values 5. Now in this place we wanted to add all these 5 numbers to it. So just like this. See, in the place of x bar I substituted 8 and sigma x. Add all these numbers, 6 plus 4 plus 7 plus 8 plus 10, and in the place of n I have written 5 because we are going to find the mean of 5 numbers. That's the thing. Now here let me do the cross multiplication, children. 8 5 is 40, and here let me add all these numbers. 6 plus 4 is 10, 17, and 17 add to 10. So 27 plus a. So that is 40 is equals to 27 plus a. Now this 27 you transfer this side, we get minus 27. So in 40 if you subtract 27 we get 30. Therefore a value is 30. So again the option D is correct answer. Move on to the next one, children. The median of these numbers, I mean 3, 5, 7, 3, 8, 0, 1, 4 and 6. Children, now remember the meaning of the median, what I said. So median means middlemost score, and moreover see here the scores have given randomly, means it is not in proper order, I mean in ascending order or not given in descending order. Hence whenever you are finding a median for ungrouped data, in that case the very first thing you arrange the numbers in ascending order. You can be arranged in descending order also, but my suggestion you arrange in ascending order. So before that, let's see the options, children. 0 is there, 8 is there, 4 is there, and 3 is there. So now what I said, arrange these numbers in ascending order. See what all the scores they have given I have taken. Now I am going to arrange it. See 0 I have written, 1 written, and 3 repeated 2 times 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are the numbers, and these numbers now are arranged in ascending order. Now we have to find median. So median means middlemost score. So now count how many numbers are there here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is there. So 9 means odd number. When odd number is there, children, easily we can find. So median finding formula is at n by 2 term. Children, use n plus 1 by 2th observation, children, not n by 2 observation. You change there also. I think there also I said n by 2 observation for odd numbers. So it's not only n by 2. You have to take n by 2 plus 1. So here n value we are getting 9. So 9 plus 1 by 2. So means here we get 10 by 2, isn't it? So 10 by 2 means 2 ones are and 2 fives are. So fifth observation. So count numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth observation is 4. Hence here the middlemost score is 4. So 4 we can find it in C. So C is correct option. Children, I repeat again. So when odd number of scores there, use n plus 1 by 2 observation. So when even number of observations there, in that case n by 2th observation plus n plus 1 by 2th observation over by 2. So that formula we wanted to use. Keep it in the mind. Move on to the next one, children. The median of the data 5, 3, 14, 16, 19 and 20 is. So given options are 14, 14.5, 15, 16. See here also we wanted to find median, and it is ungrouped data only, and see how many scores here we have. So we have 6 scores. See in the last problem we have odd number of scores. So here we have even number of scores. So how to find this? So first arrange the given data in ascending order. See here I have arranged in ascending order. Next what you wanted to do is n by 2th observation, n by 2th observation plus n plus 1 by 2th observation over divided by 2. So n means 6. So 6 by 2 means here third observation, children, plus, so here n by 2 means 3. 3 plus 1. So that is fourth observation. So divided by 2. So third observation is 14 here, and fourth observation means 16. Add these to 14 plus 16 is how much children? So that we are getting 30 children. So 30 divided by 2, how much we will get? So we get 15. So here 15 is option C. Median for ungrouped data and even number of terms. And see, I have solved here clearly, children. So n by 2th term. So that is the 14 plus n by 2 plus 1 means that is 16. So add these to 14 plus 16 is 30. 30 divided by 2, we get how much? 15. So therefore the correct option is 50. So this is the formula, children. See, if you use formula, see how much thing we want to do. See, when even numbers there, so middlemost two scores we will get. So here 14 and 16 we will get. Find the sum of this and divide by 2. Means you wanted to find mean for these two numbers. So that gives the median answer for us. Move on to the next one. The mode of the data 4, 7, 4, 3, 2, 7, 7, 6, 4, 7 and 8 is. They are asking mode, children. Given options are 7, 6, 4, 8. Mode means the score which repeated maximum number of times. So look at the scores. If you want to answer in a proper way, first arrange all these scores in ascending order or descending order. That gives the exact answer. But just by looking at this only we can answer. See, 7 is repeating maximum number of times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times repeated. So hence the correct option is A. So 7 is the mode because 7 repeats 4 times. Next, move to the next one, children. If the mode of 16, 15, 17, 16, 15, x, 19, 17, 14, 8 is 15, then x is. Given options are 19, 15, 14 and 8. Children, just use your common sense, children. So here they have given few scores, and these scores mod is 15, means 15 is repeated maximum number of times in these score. Understood? Now see the option 19. 19 cannot be the answer because 19 here repeated one time, and if x value also is 19, then 19 repeated only 2 times. So then it cannot be mod. There's that 15 is the mod. 15 already repeated in our score 2 times. So in case if you take 15 x values, yes, if you take x values of 15, so 15 would repeat 3 times. In that case 15 can be mod. So hence x value should be 15 only. In case if you take 14, you check it out, what will happen? See, in this case, in the place of x, if you take 14, what will happen? So 14 repeated here one time and here one time, 2 times only. Hence 14 is not mod. They said clearly here 15 is a mod. And if you take 8, what happens? So 8 here there, and if you take here 8 also will be repeated 2 times only. But if you take in the place of x, in the place of x, if you take 15, only in that case the 15 will become mod, because 15 would have been repeated 3 times in that case. I hope you got it. So move on to the next one, children. The formula to calculate the mod is direct question it is. So something on all they have given here. So option C is correct, children. See, L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So this is the correct one. So option C is the correct. Move on to the next one. The mod of the following frequency distribution is. So this is a given table, children. These are the scores and these are the frequencies. And it is not a grouped data, children. It is ungrouped data only. See here, it is in the form of scores only x. It is not in the form of class interval. So if it is in the form of class intervals, that says for us, so that is in a grouped data form. Is it clear? So how you have to understand this table is, see, you have to understand like this. The 5 repeated 2 times. So 10 repeated 8 times. 15 repeated 3 times. 20 repeated 10 times. 25 repeated 5 times. This is the way of understanding. And these are the given options: 25, 20, 15 and 10. Now look at which score repeated maximum number of times. Means you wanted to look these frequency column, children. So 2, 8, 3, 10. See, 20 repeated 10 times. So 25 repeated 5 times. Hence 20. So 20 is the mod. So that is option B. So move on to the next one, children. class interval which contains the mod in the following frequency distribution. So table is given, children. So class interval is the first column, and the second one is the frequencies. Now what we wanted to find, the class interval of the model class. And very important thing is how to identify the model class. You wanted to identify the highest frequency. So here highest frequency is 30. So this gives the model class. I mean, this is the model class. I mean 30 to 40. So your correct option is, and these are the options, children. So correct option is belongs to B. So that is, so option C is children. See here, highest score is 30. So option B is correct one. Move on to the next one. The formula to calculate the median is. So this is also direct question, children. You wanted to select the suitable median finding formula. So option A itself the correct answer. L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. See here we will get 2 and here minus is there. So here 2 is there, but here plus is there. So it cannot be. So here 4 is there, hence it cannot be. And here 3 is there, hence this cannot be. So correct option is A only. So L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. Move on to the next one, children. And the following distribution table, the class interval which contains the median is. So class intervals given, frequency given, cumulative frequency is given. Children, as I said, cumulative frequency we will find when we are going to find the median. And these are the given options: 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. So what we wanted to find? We wanted to find the class interval of median class. So how to find that median class? So for that we wanted to add all these frequencies. So if you add 7 to 12, we will get 19, 19 add to 11 we will get 30, 30 add to 18 we will get 48, 48 add to 12 we get 60. So here we get 60. So that is only this one, because we added like this. So first 7 we have written like this, next 7 added to 12 we got 19, 19 add to 11 we got 30, 30 add to 18 we got 48, 48 add to 12 we got 60. So now 60 divided by 2 means we wanted to find n by 2. So 60 by 2. So 2 ones the and 2 30s. So what we are getting? So 30th. So 30 where it comes, I mean which class interval it lies. See here in the first class interval, I mean in this we see the numbers from 1 to 7, that's all. Okay, so in this class interval we see from 8 to 19. So in the third class interval we will see from 20, because here it is ended at 19, hence in this class interval we will see from 20th to 30. So here we have got 30. So we will get, I mean this will be the median class. So it belongs to 30 to 40. I mean option B is correct, 30 to 40. Move on to the next one. In the following frequency distribution table, the value of L when calculating the mod is, and it is the given table. So they are talking about a mod and what is the value of L. So to identify L value, first we wanted to identify the highest frequency. So here highest frequency is 30. 30 belongs to this class interval, I mean 70 to 80. So in that lower limit, L means what? L means lower limit of the model class. So 70 is lower limit. So hence the correct option is D. Move on to the next one, children. The empirical relationship between three measures of central tendency is. So these are the given options and it is a direct question, children. Select yourself the correct answer. See, D is the correct one. 3 median is equals to mod plus 2. So this. So move on to the next one, children. Mod and mean of data are 12k and 15k. Median of the data is. See, mod is given. Mod value given 12k and mean value is given, that is 15k. What they are finding? Median. See, mod, mean and median, all three central tendencies of measurement are included in this form. So hence to find median you wanted to use empirical formula only. You don't have other options. So let me take empirical formula here. That is 3 median is equals to mod plus 2 mean. Substitute the values, children. So in the place of mod you substitute 12k and in the place of 2 mean you substitute 2 into 15k. So just like this. Now multiply this. 2 into 15 is how much? 30k. So 30 add to 12 we get 42k. Now here 3 is there, children. Don't forget that. That 3 you transfer this side. It becomes to denominator as 42k by 3. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 fours are 12. So answer is how much? That is 14k. So option B is correct, 14k. Dear students, I hope you have understood all these multiple choice questions which belongs to statistics chapter. I hope you got it. Thank you.